Welcome to Divine API. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of testing the Natal Synastry API using Postman. If you're a developer looking to integrate relationship compatibility insights into your application, or just exploring how this API works, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. Let's get started. Before we begin testing, you'll need an API key to authenticate your requests. To get this, go to divineapi.com and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to the API key section, where you'll find both your API key and access token. Keep these handy because you'll need them for authentication in Postman. Now let's set up Postman. If you haven't logged in yet, do that first. Then visit divineapi.com and scroll down to find the Postman Collection link. Click on Run in Postman, and you'll see an option to choose between Postman for Web or Postman for Windows. For this tutorial, we'll go with Postman for Web. Once you've made your selection, choose your preferred workspace, and then click Import to add the Divine API collection to your Postman environment. If the import is successful, the Divine API Postman Collection will appear on your screen. Now that Postman is ready, open the Western Astrology API collection and select Synastry, Planetary Positions. Make sure the HTTP method is set to POST so that we can send a request. Click on the Authorization tab, and from the dropdown, select Bearer Token as the authentication type. Now, go back to your Divine API dashboard, navigate to the API key section, and copy your access token. Return to Postman and paste the access token into the token field. Now, let's enter the required details for the request. Click on the Body tab in Postman, where we will input the parameters. First, copy your API key from the Divine API dashboard and paste it into the API key field in Postman. Then, enter the birth details for both individuals. For each person, specify the day, month, and year of birth, along with the exact birth time by entering the hour and minute. To calculate accurate synastry insights, enter the latitude and longitude for both individuals' birth locations. Finally, make sure to include the correct time zone offsets for each person based on their birthplaces. Once all these details are filled in, click Send, and you'll see the API response appear on the screen. The response will display planetary positions for both individuals, showing how their planets interact and influence their relationship dynamics. If you run into any errors, double-check that your API key and access token are correctly entered. Most issues come from missing or incorrect authentication details. For a detailed step-by-step guide, you can find the article linked in the video description. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our team at admin@divineapi.com. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Divine API tutorials. Thanks for watching.